radio button and radio button list control. In this lesson, we're going to talk about radio button controls with a simple example. Radio button control is also used for selecting options like checkbox control, but only one option can be selected among the given options. Now let's see the tag for creating radio button. Radio buttons are grouped together using the group name property. We'll discuss about radio buttons with a simple example. Open a new web form and go to Toolbox. Click Text Box and 2 radio buttons. Now, click the page and align the control. Click Radio Button 1 and press F4 to get Properties window. Change the text property and Auto Postback property. Give a name in Group Name property. Similarly, click the Radio Button 2 and do the changes in the Properties window. The group name should be the same as what we have given in Control 1. Right then, double-click the web form. It will move to Code window. Just add this coding and see the logic. If the Radio Button 1 is marked, then the control will move to Block and display the Radio Button 1 text value in Text Box Control. Otherwise, the control will move to Block 3 and execute the statement within it. Press F5 to run the application. Click on Male option. The text box displays the value male. And if you click on Female option, then text box displays female. Right, now let's see the purpose of Radio Button List Control. The Radio Button List Control is a single control that acts as a parent control for a collection of radio button list items. That is, within a single control, we can add more than one radio button inside it. Let's work with an example. Go to Design Mode and click Toolbox and Radio Button List Control. Press F4 to get a property window and click Item Property. It will show List Item Collection Editor. Click the Add button to add text. You can add many items using this wizard. Then click OK. You can see the Radio Button List Control containing 3 radio buttons within it. If you want to edit the item list, then click the arrow mark placed at the corner of the Radio Button List Control. It shows a list of options in that. So click the Edit Item. It will show you a List Item Editor. Do the appropriate changes and then click OK. Go to Property window and then set Repeat Direction property as horizontal. Then change Auto Postback property to True. Now then, double-click the Radio Button List Control to move to Code window and add this coding. Press F5 to run the application and check the result. Okay, now it's time to use your own logic to develop a simple program using Radio Button List Control.